was an easy task today. Something I could actually see a difference in the boat on. You spend a lot of time working on the boat with your head down, and you don't really notice a huge change. Everything's so time consuming. So I ripped some strips of wood, reddered the edges, measured how long the pieces were, mitered the corners and cut them, and then started mixing up some epoxy to screw them into place. The epoxy is one of those things we spent a lot of time doing. I was completely underestimated the amount of time you'd spend doing this, even just cleaning your tools every time you mix a little bit for this, a little bit for that. I then put some reinforcements in the corners of the benches. The benches were only made out of 1/4-inch plywood to keep them light. I'll face them afterwards with a nicer wood. I'm not sure what I'll use yet. After that, I sanded it all, started priming it, and thought about what to do next. I think I need to get my cockpit straighteners in so I can get the area for the fuel tank ready. I really got to prioritize the boat necessities so I can eventually get the boat in the water. Don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to follow along.